I don't know if you guys saw that. All the birds flew out of my I have a problem. I have birdies that are helping themselves to the peaches. So let's see if we got any damage. See, that one's not ripe yet. That one's not ripe. I know my peaches are getting attacked. Come here, Zoe. Uh-huh. Right here we got birdie eating my peach. Okay, the one next to it's ripe, I think, so we'll take that one off. Ah, mean old birdies. So, these ones are ripe. So yeah, I'll definitely have to be watching my peaches. Make sure the birdies don't get them. My goodness. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and thanks for watching, guys. Well, hopefully I'll be making peach cobbler soon.